Hi, good day and welcome to Pamati Tutorial. Makinig, manood, at matuto. Okay, and welcome to Pamati Tutorial, and we are now in the fourth quarter, which is this time we will discuss the introduction of statistics. Okay, introduction of statistics. That is the first lesson in grade 7 mathematics for the fourth quarter. Okay, now the objective for this video, at the end of the lesson, you are expected to define statistics. Second, differentiate a population from a sample. Distinguish quantitative data from qualitative data and discrete numbers from continuous numbers. Number 4, identify the level of measurements. And number 5, identify the method in collecting the data. Okay, this time, more on introduction lang tayo, more on definitions. Okay, later on, malalaman nyo rin bakit meron mga statistics. Okay, now, statistics is a branch of mathematics which deals with the collection, organization, presentation, analysis, and interpretation of data or information. Okay, now, statistics, alam ninyo na matagal na ninyo itong ginagawa. Okay, you're already using it. Matagal na kayong gumagawa nito. Because, unang-una, that is a collection. Diba? It is a collection of data. It means it refers to the process of gathering data or information. Example, magtatanong kayo during the new class, yung bago yung klase, di ba? Magtatanong kayo sa mga classmates niyo, ano yung pangalan mo, ilan kayo sa bahay niyo, di ba? Mga ganon. It means you are collecting the data, okay? That is a collection. Next, organization and presentation. It refers to summarizing data into tables, graphs, or charts. During elementary, you've already discussed the pie graph, the bar graph, pictograph. Okay, di ba? Alam nyo na yan. That is organization and presentation of data. Then, another one is analysis. It refers to describe the data using statistical method and procedure. Eto, later on, during our further discussion, we will know the different method in describing the data using statistical methods and procedures. And the last one is interpretation. It refers to the process of drawing conclusion based on the analyzed data. Ibig sabihin, you need to interpret. If this would be, kung ito yung lalabas sa data natin, ano yung dapat mong gawin? Ano yung mga decision mo na gagawin based on that given data. Okay, that is the interpretation. Yan ang statistics. Unang-una, collection. Pangalawa is organization and presentation. Then pangatlo, analysis. Then pang-apat is interpretation. Okay, now, we have the different important persons in statistics. Okay, unang-una, meron tayo si De Moivre o Abraham De Moivre. Okay, De Moivre discovered the equation of normal distribution, upon which many of the theories of inferential statistics have been based. Okay, siya yung later on during your senior high school or grade 10, madiscuss yan yung bell-shaped distribution. Okay, yun ang isa sa mga contribution ni De Moivre sa statistics. Next is si Adolphe Quetelet. Okay, Adolphe Quetelet, 1796 to 1874. Adolphe Quetelet is a Belgian mathematician. Okay, then he is known as the father of modern statistics. He is known as the father of modern statistics. Why? Because he made application of statistics in the field of psychology and education. Okay, that is why tinatawag siyang father of modern statistics. Okay, importante yung accomplishment o distribution ni Adolphe Quetelet. Si Sir Francis Galton. Si Sir Francis Galton, he discovered the percentile. Yan, during your grade 10, kung mag-grade 10 na kayo, you will know what is a percentile, quartile, mga ganyan. Okay? He discovered the percentile. Then, along with Galton, nandun rin si Carl Person. Okay? Si Carl Person, kasama ni Sir Francis Galton, they work, okay, to develop the theory of regression and correlation. Ayan. Ayan si Carl Person, kasama si Sir Francis Galton. Because of contribution ni Galton, katulong rin ni Galton, na develop ni Carl Person ang theory of regression and correlation. Next, si Sir Ronald Fisher, who developed the statistics and experimental design. Okay? Statistics for experimental design, or F-tool. Okay? Yung mga marami yung ano ba yun? Parang mga samples. Okay? Mga ganyan. Okay? Those are the important persons of statistics. Okay? Brief history lang muna tayo in statistics. More on ito is na-discovered during the Egyptian time, okay? Then the Babylonian time, and then later on nagagamit at na-discovered ng mga mathematician the different terms and the different theories in terms of statistics. That is why they develop this statistics, which is nakakatulong sa atin ngayon. Okay? Now, the application of statistics, we have the different fields na pwede nating i-apply o gamit ng statistics. Unang-una is education. Siyempre, nandun tayo, di ba? Sa DepEd or sa nandun tayo, education. Okay. Education is the statistical tool are used to get the information on enrollment. Yan, malalaman natin kung ilan yung enrolled for this school year, ilan yung enrolled for the previous school year, kung tumaas ba o bumaba ba yung mga enrollees. Ayan, the finance, the facilities, yan, grading system. For the education, importante yung statistics, which is ginagamit naming mga guro yung grading system, di ba? Hindi kami makakapag-compute ng grades kung wala yung mga data or scores na nanggaling sa inyo. Okay? That is a collection of data, which is the scores from the students. Then we collect that one, we gather that one, and then we compute, we analyze, we organize. Then that is the use of statistics in education. Okay? Yung pag-compute ng grades ninyo. Ayan. Then base sa grades niyo, we will interpret, then we will analyze and interpret na ito malaki yung grades niya. Magaling tong bata na to. Mga ganyan, di ba? Then that is why we have a different or honor students, okay, based on your academic grades. Yan. Now, in the government, yan, importante yan, application ng government, statistics are gathered to guide the officials in managing the affairs of the states. Yes, tulad na lang ngayon, kapag ito yung guide ng mga government officials, if gaano ba karami ang walang trabaho, gaano ba karami ang merong trabaho, mga ganon, then ano yung gagawin ng mga officials para mabawasan yung dami ng tao na walang trabaho. Okay, mga ganyan, diba? Okay, next is the medicine and physical science. Yan, bago ibibigay yung mga vaccinations, dapat meron yung mga statistical data, mga experimental data na effective ba yung medicine na ito o hindi. Okay? Evaluated use, okay, which affect experiments are best evaluated using statistical tool. Yan, experiment, more on experiment. Ito na medicine, good for this person, but this medicine is bad for this person. Okay? Now, during this time, we will have our COVID-19 pandemic, then diba, yung mga different kinds of vaccination, then sinasabi ng mga expert na if you are using this kind of medicine or vaccines, ito yung mga symptoms na lalabas sa iyo. If you are using this vaccine, ito yung mga symptoms na lalabas sa iyo. Bakit? It is because of the statistical tool or yung na-experiment nila gamit yung medicine na yun. Okay, that is the use of statistics to aware the people na ano yung mga advantages at disadvantages ng medicine. Okay, now for the psychology, psychologists are able to understand human behavior better if they are able to gather evaluated using data on different tests. Ayan, kung human behavior, base sa mga results, base sa mga data na na-collect ng mga psychologists, they can interpret and they can draw a conclusion that there would be this behavior is present on that person. Okay? Yan siya. For the business, ayan, importante yan. Okay? Statistics play an important role in the financial transaction and marketing of the new product, forecasting of business trends, controlling the quality of goods. Siyempre, financial and marketing of the new product. Financial transaction. Okay? Kung tataas ba yung profit o bababa yung profit, 'di ba? Yung mga forecasting of business trend, if we will use or we will buy a certain product, madali lang ba itong ibenta o hindi? Ganon. Okay? That is the use of statistics by collecting those data. Ano yung mga trends, di ba? That is for businesses. And syempre, for the sports, if you will have a training, record yan. If you will apply this kind of training, i-record yan. Then, on the following example, basketball, on the next session, next session is ano ba yung effective na training? Ganito ba na training o gano'n na training? Okay? That is the use of statistics. Now, the importance of statistics. Bakit kailangan natin malaman ano yung statistics? Okay, those are the application. This time is the importance of statistics. It is a way to more easily understand a certain topic or presentation. Siyempre, di ba? Meron tayong mga graph, meron tayong pie graph. By looking at the pie graph, alam mo kung yung mga distribution mas malaki yung income, mas malaki yung budget for the food compared sa budget for the leisure or yung paggala-gala o paggala-gala sa mga kahit saan, di ba? Then by looking at the bar graph, makikita ninyo na mas marami yung male sa female or mas marami yung female sa male. Okay, mga ganun. Okay? Next, it makes the gathered data easy to compute, especially in survey. Siyempre, in statistics, you are collecting the data and you are organizing the data. Based on the collected data, you need to arrange. O, ayan, mas madali siyang ma-compute. Ayan. Ideas can easily be analyzed and studies can be given conclusion at once. Okay? Madali siya because meron tayong mga solutions, meron tayong solving na gagawin, then base sa mga results na pag-solve natin, then meron tayong come up na conclusion. It means once lang, hindi yung iba-iba. Iba-iba yung pag-intindi ng result. Yan. Then answered questions can be easily defined. Okay, that is the importance of statistics. Now, there are two areas of statistics or areas or field of statistics. The first one is descriptive statistics and the second one is the inferential statistics. Yan ang field or area of statistics. Now, descriptive statistics is defined as the collection, presentation, and description of sample data. Okay, pero lang, you collect, you present, and more on like that. That is the descriptive statistics. Then inferential statistics, it refers to making decisions and drawing conclusion about population. Yung kanina, you gathered, you present the data. Okay, that is the discrete statistics. Inferential statistics is you are interpreting. You are making your decision based on the result of the data. Okay? Then, the important terms used in statistics. The first one is the population. inside the population, we have what we call sample and census. Okay. What is a population? Population refers to a complete set of individuals, objects, or events under studies. Example, the total of sari-sari store in a town. Okay, it means complete. Okay, complete set of individual. Example, all grade 7. Ayan, in Philippines. That is a population. We will say all grade 7 of Davao City. Ganyan. All grade 7 of a certain city. Ganon. All grade 7 of a certain school. Example, ganon ang population. It means maramihan. Okay? Next is the sample. Defined as a subset of population or a collection of some elements in a population. Example, yung grade 7. Example, grade 7 of Pamati National High School. If we will say sample, we will get only 150 students 150 students of Pamati National High School. Ibig sabihin, it is defined as some elements in a population. Okay? Diba? During the conduct of survey, hindi naman lahat is ini-interview. Okay? Hindi lahat ini-interview. It means selected lang yung ini-interview. That is what we call the samples. Okay? Selected lang yung mga in-interview, then base sa kanilang mga sagot, yun na rin ang result o yung sagot ng kabuuan ng survey. Okay? That is a sample. Now, census, it is an official count or survey of population, typically recording various details of individuals. Alam nyo na yan. Census, pumapunta sa bahay to collect the information. Okay, to collect the information of the population and record the various details of individuals. Okay, now we are talking always about data. The information that we gathered, that is what we call data. It's the information we gathered about the sample or population. In data, we have two types, the qualitative and the quantitative data. The quali and the quanti. Qualitative and quantitative. Now, what is a qualitative data? It refers to the attributes or characteristics of a sample. Okay, example of qualitative data. Qualitative information of individuals such as gender. Diba? If we will say gender, dalawa lang. Male at saka female. Diba? Male or female. That is your selection. Male or female. Example, color of your skin. Pwede natin lagay brown, white, or black. Yun ang mga selection. Diba? Brown, black, or white. Or let's have here a religion. Diba? Christianity, Buddhism, Islam, Hinduism, ganyan. Okay? It means that is a qualitative data. Ayan. Example, taste of a mango. Diba? Sweet, sour, okay, mga ganon. Then, the smell of lemon and many more. Okay? As long as it is answered or surveyed like that, the different questions. Okay, example, tinatanong kayo, what would be your gender, male or female? Mga ganon, diba? Okay, that is a qualitative data. What is the color of your hair? Black, white, brown. Okay, yan. That is a qualitative data. In a quantitative data, okay, quantitative, I'm sorry, meron tayo dito, quantitative, kulang ng N. Yan. Quantitative data. Quantitative data refers to the numerical information gathered about the sample. Okay, dito, specific siya. Okay? Meron tayong numerical. Ibig sabihin numerical, it means number. Example, how many of you are there in a family? You will answer 5, 7, diba? Ganyan. It means number. Example, how old are you? It means the age. So, to collect the survey, how old are you? It means the age, that is a number. Ibig sabihin, quantitative, it refers to the number. Okay. Example, another one is ano yung monthly income ninyo? Diba? Number yan. Okay? Then, how long are you in the service? Ibig sabihin, gaano ka na katagal o gaano katagal ka na doon sa service. Ibig sabihin, numbers. Ang sasagot, numbers. That is a quantitative data. And doon sa qualitative, hindi siya number. Specific siya. Brown, white, or black. Diba? Okay, yun ang pagkakaiba ng qualitative at saka quantitative data. Quantitative data, we have two types. The discrete data and the continuous data. Now, in discrete data are values of the variable obtained through the process of counting. It can only have specific values. Example, the number of students in a class. Siyempre, hindi natin pwedeng sabihin na how many of you in your section? 21.5. Ano yung 0.5? Di ba kalahati? Meron bang kalahating estudyante? Ha? Meron ba kayong kaklase na kalahating tao lang? Hindi, di ba? Okay, ibig sabihin, it is a whole number. Okay? It means a counting number. It is a whole number or counting numbers. Okay, that is a discrete data. Now, continuous data are values of the variable obtained through the process of measuring or weighing. Ito naman, if the discrete data is a whole number and the continuous data, meron tayong decimal. Okay? Example, time. Hindi pwedeng sabihin exactly 3. Meron tayong 3:05 p.m. or 3 hours and 5 minutes, di ba? Mga ganon. Or 3 hours and 2 minutes and 21 seconds, di ba? Okay, those are the continuous data. Example, for the weight, how gaano ka ba kabigat? Example is 56.20 kilograms. Okay, ibig sabihin, mayroon decimal. Sa madaling salita, discrete is a whole number, continuous data, yung may mga decimal numbers. Okay, those are the two types of quantitative data, the discrete and the continuous data. Now, we have what we call the levels of measurement. The nominal variable, the ordinal variable, the interval and the ratio. Now, nominal variable, a qualitative data that categorize, describes, or name an elements of a population. Example, gender, political party, GSIS number, cellphone number, hair color. Okay, parang yung kanina is gender, male, female, diba? Hair color, black, white, brown. Okay, that is the nominal variable. Now, the next one is the ordinal variable, the qualitative data that incorporates an ordered position or rankings, but difference between data values cannot be determined or meaningless. Ibig sabihin, values cannot be determined. Okay. Ibig sabihin, if we will say ordinal, we are talking about ranking or position. The first, second, third, fourth, fifth. Okay, ganon. That is ordinal variable. Yung kanina is nominal, ibig sabihin, gender, male, female, color of the skin, brown, white, or black. Okay, that is the nominal. Sinabing ordinal, position. First, second, no. Kapag sinabing ordinal variable, sinasabi natin, what is your socio or economic status? Yan, low income, middle income, high income. Okay, ordinal, it means naka-ranking. What is your educational attainment, educational level? Elementary, high school, college, master's degree, doctorate. Ayan. That is the ordinal variable. Okay? Then, output of performance. Need improvement, good, very good, excellent. That is ordinal variable. Okay? Mali pala yung first, second, third. Hindi yun. Ordinal variable, it means you are ranking according accordingly, but no values. Okay? It means, yun siya, educational level, elementary, high school, college, master's, or doctorate. Yan. Now, interval is a quantitative data or quantitative measurement scale where there is order. The difference between two variables is meaningful and equal. It has no inherent zero, which is the starting point. Example, temperature in Baguio City, which is 0 degrees Celsius, does not mean absence of temperature. Meron siyang meaning. Okay? Pag sinabi natin 0 degrees Celsius, ibig sabihin, that is the freezing point. Meron siyang meaning. Okay? That is a quantitative measurement. That is the interval. Okay? Number siya, but the zero have a meaning. Now, ratio contains all the features of the other three levels at the ratio level. Values can be categorized, ordered, have equal interval. Take on inherent zero starting point. Example, amount of money received means zero amount money received. Kung sinabi na yung zero, ibig sabihin wala talagang pera. Wala ka talagang pera kapag sinabi yung zero. Okay? Then, that is what we call ratio. Now, we have the different kinds of how to collect the data or the data collection. The first one is the survey. Okay? How to collect the data, the first one is the survey. In the survey, we have categorized into two. The interview and the questionnaire. Kapag sinabi nating interview, we are talking about face-to-face. Ayan. Face-to-face. Ibig sabihin, pwede kayong magkaharap, tatanong ka, sasagot siya, that is interview. Or pwede ring kausap sa telepono, tatanong ka, then sasagot siya. That is the interview. Pag sinabi natin questionnaire, we are talking about paper. Okay? Bibigyan kayo ng paper or somewhat mga tanong, parang exam, di ba? Okay? Questionnaire, mga parang exam paper or survey, mga questions yan, na sasagutan ninyo base doon sa tinatanong sa inyo questionnaires. Ito, hindi siya applicable for face-to-face. Okay. Now, for pandemic, ito yung usually na gagamitin natin. Face-to-face, hindi siya alam for the questionnaire. Okay? Now, for this pandemic, which is the COVID-19, it means hindi siya allowed mag face-to-face. Therefore, the interview, it could be using the questionnaires. Ayan siya. Now, the second one, how to collect the data, is the observation of outcome or events. This method makes use of different human senses in gathering information. Ayan na. The third one is the experiment. This method is usually conducted in laboratories where specimens are subjected to some aspect of control to find out cause and effect relationship. Experiment. Tulad ng sinabi natin kanina for the medicine, ano yung mga for experiment number 1, ganito yung nangyayari. Experiment number 2, ganito yung nangyayari. Experiment number 3, ganito yung nangyayari. Then, interpret that data based on the result. Okay? That is the collection through experiment. Then, the last one is the publication. Yan. Ito, more on tayo dito ngayon. Secondary data are gathered like newspaper, ano yung nakatulog sa newspaper, mga journal, books, encyclopedia, magazine, thesis of other researches. Okay. Usually, if sa inyo, mga bata, you collect the data based on ano yung pinopost sa Facebook, diba? Sa mga social media. Ayan. Then, through that information, you are already collecting based on the yung na-publish dun sa mga social media. Pero ingat lang tayo, hindi lahat ng na-publish dun sa social media are true. Some of it is a fake news. Okay, those are our introduction of statistics. It is more on definitions. Now, let us practice. Identify what is being asked in each item. Choose the correct answer from the word found inside the box. Example, ito yung mga words. Okay, number 1, It deals with the method in collection, gathering, presentation, analysis, and interpretation of data. The answer is statistics. Number 2, it refers to the numerical information gathered about the sample. And the answer is quantitative data. Third, a subset of population or a collection of some elements in a population. Then that is a sample. Okay. Then another one, determine whether the number obtained in the following variables are discrete or continuous. Okay. Books in a library. Number 5, weights of a student. And number 6, the number of staple wire in a stapler. Number 4, books in the library, it is discrete. Siyempre, that is a whole number you will count. Weight of the students, it is continuous because there would be a decimal point. Ayan. Or hindi siya buo, hindi siya whole or counting numbers. Okay? Number 6, the number of staple wire in a stapler. Siyempre, kahit gano'n yan kaliit, bibilangin mo yan. Mabibilang yan. And that is discrete. Ayan. And for watching Pamati tutorial, makinig, manood, at matuto. Let's see you on the next video about this statistics for the third quarter. Thank you for watching. Maraming salamat.